Hi, how is it going? I'm Alice, welcome to Trading Chart Analysis. Let me share you a 87.8% win rate bottom catch strategy today. It's very simple and effective. What shall we do in the situation below? The price stopped lowering, and began to break up the previous high. It's a double bottom, right? Okay, let's buy it here. Oh god, the price just got hammered. Why? Maybe just by accident? Okay, let's do it again. Here the price upward break a previous high, another buy point? Then pretend we buy it here. However, another failed. Heartbreak? Inside just furious? But now if I tell a strategy, which can help you buy at this point, so you can get profit of this part. Is it wonderful? But how? Now it's time to learn the strategy. We only need 2 steps. Firstly, the MACD indicator shows bottom deviation during the downtrend process, which means a trend reversal is likely to follow. After that, MACD have a golden cross, which is a high probable valid buy point. Let me explain more specifically. First of all, deviation means that there is an opposite trend between the price and technical indicators. MACD is a trend indicator. Normally it shows a same trend with price. However, when they are not synchronized, this is a deviation. So here, if the price reached a new low, but MACD stopped lowering, and we call this situation bottom deviation. It means that the price trend is going to change. After the bottom deviation, MACD formed a golden cross, and that is just our buy point. Remember, in this strategy, the valid buy point should only appears after a bottom deviation. Let's look at this case. Although there is a gold cross, but before the buy point, there is no bottom deviation, so this cannot be confirmed as invalid buy point. So we don't buy it, but what's gonna happen? It crashed. Last point, in this strategy, we could just make a stop loss at the close price of previous low point. It can reach a higher win rate if we could use MA indicator to verify the buy point. And if you are interested in this content, leave me a message, MA, to the comment area. I will make another video for it. Now if you think my video is helpful, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and you will be notified each time we upload, and leave us a like to show your support. I will see you next time, bye.